Sommer Runner, slide gate opener, control board explanation. This is a control board used to control the slide runner gate machine opener. This power supply connector, when a single phase, will connect from main power supply. This main connectors with labeled by numbers, but the numbers will downside, not showing fully. I will make label to easy understanding. This is a numbers of labels. Let's start from photocell connection. This is a single pair of photocell with terminals of transmitter and receiver. This, the main power supply for Sommer single pair sensor. Terminal 8 is red wire connected to both sensors. This terminals is plus 20 volt DC. Terminal 10 is black wire connected to both sensors. This is 0 volt DC. The terminal 12 is NC terminal, connected to receiver, sensor, relay. Terminal 14 is common for photocell safety. If you have two-wire system of photocell, you can connect directly to terminals 12 and 14. Warning lights connection. Terminals T and J is output 24 volt and maximum 25 watts for warning light. This flashlight is blinking while door moving. Buttons connection. It's your choice which push button you used. Now I will show you all buttons. You can connect what you require. This is 3 buttons switch. Terminal 26, a pulse terminal, with common terminal 22. This button working open and close the gates by every new signal. Terminal 11 is partial opening contact. Common is terminal 13. If you want to connect the stop switch, removed this white wire between terminals 30 and 20. Terminal 30 is stop input, NC. Contact with common terminal is terminal 20. Now, if you have switched, you want a working, only open gate by one button. Only closed gate by one button. Terminal 24 is only open button wire. Terminal 30 is only close button wire. And terminal 30 is only stop button. Terminal 20 is common for all these terminals. Trimmers adjustment. Theirs is 2 trimmers. This trimmer is for adjusting the gate weight. The gate weight must be precisely adjusted. If the setting is not correct, the operating forces will be too high and the power shutoff will be too late. Severe injuries may result. This is the list of percentage with gate weight. After adjusting the gate weight, dip switch 3 must be set to on immediately. This prevents the weight adjustment and other parameters important for safe operation of the system from being accidentally changed. This trimmer is used for automatic closing timer. mean how many seconds gate will open. Direction of gates. If the machine is installed by left side, keep dip switch off. If the machine is installed on the right side, keep dip switch 7 on.